Batisi TV, lawan Rashiki daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Kapording ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Kongres ka kular Bandung du boarding ha nang kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Kat bagi sengi kelanang jan cakap jingjiat jiki nong mikmat bertemai jong ke yang dorba tauan ke jela ki Hiar nong Ïalap jong ke BJP kila Hiar siri boy nak benta Ïalap election jiki Kyrtong jong ke parti haka arpo dari urumpa araja arpulai UMP ke Rajya Sabha Rakesh Sinha ulapoi tiap ha Nongpoh constituency menpan jingkersan nak benta ke Kyrtong jong ke BJP haka jingalang kabalalong Hamadan Pahambir haka ni kesengi la sendalang daga Kyrtong jong ke BJP ke kong Marian Maring lem bagi nong Ïalap jong ke BJP bat ki paj ba nong kersan jong ke BJP na Nongpoh constituency
apa ke senang jongki apa ke konstitusi apa ke state jongki ki don ki hospital ki university ki college ki baper ki school Henry ke state jongi, ke district jongi, ke Nongpoh konstitusi jongi, ke Sadin, ke Sadum. Tinggal yang nak bentai jumpi, umde bangay yang nak bentai lade. Mau isang larem, hal araja katra. Henry yang don kata kemensim, pensyakri. Ya pi ki pajba, nong senong jaga Nongpoh konstitusi. Nga persyang biang, ngayang biang, Henry nga nandun kam, kata ka politik, nandun kam kata ka parti, Henry ngayang, tang nang bentajong pi, nga kuak baniarap ya pi, nga don kemensim baniarap ya pi, warlang nga don kata kemensim, Henry marway, nga muak bantre, nga don kam kecitersan jong pi, nga don kam, kakti kemuan kakti kediang jempi
kum ong pastor mukti kum ong ki father jongi ki dengkam leader jongi deiba visionary leader ki true leader lawan ra bakalla lawan ra kajing montoi ki para nomret nongbola manta ajaral prolai tang kadan bor lotus lawan wanra kajing mentojopi kakala hapo kajila Meghalaya baru kuai ngidan confident menta arjar arpolai ki serkar ki lawan from serkar BJP hapo kajila Meghalaya na terpat bapi ki para nomor ki nombala ai kakting teman kediang kersanlang sarlilang tikna benpoi baik ke thong hinjok ke kandidat jempi Mrs. Maring dari kekunang nomor jumpi fikir sanam ok etnik fikir sanam ke kandidat jumpi dari kekunang nomor apa katang yani Nongpoh constituency kum balalong ki kena samla welang hangne ki jingduna bulma tangneo sopo samputan likisit ladate merju admission dan kataga CBSE school tang hapo yang bari them new proposed ki khana jongi badan jing eva dan kamnem CBSE school university hapo river district jawaban kabor BJP ngiwandra kanuksa thumai pentalla lomba Ïalap Meghalaya jongi dan kam self-reliant Meghalaya. Fikwanam kipun jing duna kum mengilayoi inong mikmat jongi inong Ïalap jongi longdan vision undan bape jingai kawai lidar hapo 100 former ki MLA Kumdan wijang ba perkat jingai kamnongi pertek kamnongi la sumar ka kunti lejang la sai hakala jawaban jingai jawaban kelam jawaban ka jingai kamnongi pertek ka next generation dan bor tang lotas.
The production of fruits by the farmers, the quality of fruit is unparalleled in India. The fruits produced this area has no parallel in the country, but there is no food processing industry. Fruits are sold, बहुत सस्ता बिक जाता है. जो फल आप बेचते हैं वो सस्ता बिकता है, वो दिल्ली में महंगा हो जाता है. बीच वाले लोग पैसे खाते हैं, किसानों के पॉकेट में पैसा नहीं जाता है. Money does not go to your pockets. Who is responsible? Who is not providing the food in the food processing industry? Who is not providing the clusters? There can be good clusters. So, if there would be clusters, there will be food processing industry, the farmer would become rich. Then politicians will not rule them. Farmers' children will go to the good school. Their children will become IS and IPS. They will become lawyer. They will become judge. They want to keep the government in the pockets of a few families. Meghalaya is ruled by few families, not the people. This is the best opportunity to elect BJP from this constituency. You elect her, she will become the minister in the government. Let the BJP come into the power, your MLA will be minister. This area will be developed. There are no good schools. If there is school, not good classrooms. If there is a classroom, no toilets. I am telling you one story. When I adopted Kyrtong, and I have given 1 crore rupees for the schools of Kyrtong, ask your MPs, Meghalaya MPs. In 5 years they got 25 crore rupees. NPP MP, there are 3 MPs, 1 from Congress, 2 from NPP. 3 MPs every year get 15 crore. In 5 years, 75 crore. What the money, where the money goes? Which area they spend the money? Our poor sisters and brothers, children are sitting here. They should ask the Congress, what happened to 75 crore money? I am from Bihar. I am staying in Delhi. But giving money to Meghalaya 1 crore rupees for the poor schools. Again I will give, if time will come, I will help the Meghalaya. Because I don't consider Meghalaya is different. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is concerned about the farmers. If you are registered, you get every 3 months get the money in your account. It never happened in independent India. So my appeal to all of you, it is not electing the BJP. By electing the BJP, you are liberating Meghalaya from the rule of corruption. The joint collective name of all these parties, 4 parties, NPP, Congress new brother TMC, elder brother is Congress, his elder brother is NPP, and the smallest brother is UDP. Their joint name is मेघालय को लूटो, गरीब लोगों को गरीब बनाकर रखो, छोटे लड़के लड़कियों के लिए जॉब नहीं है. If tourism will develop in Meghalaya, the money would come to the people. Hundreds of our young boys and girls become tourist guides.